Very warm welcome to you, and today I want to give you a very important advice, and it's basically related with your brain. In my previous video, you probably would have noticed I talked about this thing to be playing the role, or rather, I would say it is a muscle, but our brain is a unique kind of muscle because it doesn't require that kind of workout which is basically required for the rest of the body. The brain has its own set of rules, and the basic rule is that the more different situations you try to give to your brain, the more active it's going to become. The neurons will develop new neural networks through which it will try to solve the problems that you are providing it. And if you will keep it stuck with the same routine, there will be specific neural networks that will be working, whereas the rest of the brain or the nerve cells will go dead because they'll feel like as though they're not required. And that is why you probably would have heard, you have come across it, that the nerve cells have the most brief or short life compared to the rest of the cells of the body, because the fact that they go into the G naught phase. And if, in case you're not familiar with this G naught phase, you can google it. You will know that this is the phase in which the cell simply dies or becomes dormant. So in order to avoid it, basically, if you want to keep your brain active, all these nerve cells that are there within our brain develop new connections, new neural networks through which they try to solve the problems. So many electricity connections and circuits are moving around here and there. Lots of stuff is happening. But the more it happens, that means that the brain is, playing a very big part within your personality and within your life. Whereas if some specific routes are being used, well, the rest is being, kept dormant. That means that we are somehow sitting idle, not doing much. So on one hand, it's good to be consistent, but on the other side, it's good to experience new things, face new challenges. Only then you are basically challenging yourself as well as your brain to become more creative, more innovative, and that is how you'll turn out to be a better person with each and passing day.